Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a TextNow account. So as you can see, I'm connected to a VPN over here. You can see I'm connected to a VPN. So let's disconnect it. So let me connect back. And again, let's check my application. You can see, so we're in New York. So let's go straight forward and open our TextNow account. We click on sign up. As usual, I always use sign up with Google. So this time around, we are going to try the sign up with email. So let's go. Yeah, let's put in password. Let me post the video. So let's sign up. Alright, so let's wait for it to load. So press and hold your. So as usual, you have to press and hold this, but I think my network. Alright, so I think the network is kind of back, so let's press and hold. Click on personal account. Setup. Allow, allow. And boom, you have successfully created your TextNow account.